I'm never gonna feel good. I need medicine. Oh wait. Oh, I wish I could pull the train. Wait, I think I pulled a train for Henry today. R.T.R.O, he is sick. You know what? I'm gonna see. Is he gonna come or not? I'm going to the station. Oh my god, you are late. Put us at the station right now. Platform 1, or whatever. That's my first train. Okay, Thomas, calm down. Let me go shut the door real quick. There we go. Yes, I can't wait to pull my first train ever. I'm tired of jumping this stupid yard.
Let's get out here. Race 10 minutes at the station. Henry's sick. Thomas, I guess you would pull the train. Go and run in front, please.
Oh, yeah. I can't pull my first train. I can't believe I pulled my first train. I can't wait to pull this train for the first time. You know what? I heard the guards whistle. I'm gonna go.